Okay, so this is a introduction for numbers and what we're gonna learn on this tutorial. So basically we're on numbers right now. So on here we're done on function and loops. So we're gonna tackle about in this chapter called numbers and all the function and the method that you can use on TypeScript. We're gonna do that on this one. You can skip this if you wanna learn array, tuples, union, interface, class object, all of that. So you can skip right now and go to that topic. If you don't want to hear this, it's up to you. And yeah, so on this one we're gonna learn the property. So max value, it's same on different language anyway. Max value, mean value, none. Okay, so this one is so interesting. It's a not a number, none. So on TypeScript they return none. So undefined, so they're okay. So if the value are not defined, what's the value of that? So it return undefined. It's not null on different, it's null on different language, but on TypeScript it will return undefined, right? We test that on last tutorial, I guess. And negative infinity, less than mean value. Negative infinity, I think you should think that if you're using like this type of okay, so if you are using strongly type object-oriented programming language, so you need to think what's the maximum and minimum of a number. For example, on Java you should know what's the maximum value of integer, because if you're gonna make a bank that your variable hold that number, there's a maximum value that int can hold. You're gonna use double on that. You're not gonna use int to hold all of the all of the who use your bank like that. You don't want to hold that on your integer. So this is a very basic. You should learn this on C. When I don't know what language your first language is, I learned this on C. Like back then on my teacher talk about, okay, you should never use int and you should use double because it can hold larger amount of value on that. And passive infinity, same on this prototype and constructor like that. And we're gonna tackle about methods on this. Methods, exponential to fix, to local string, precision to string, value of. All of this, we're gonna learn this and in the next tutorial. So yeah, so let's just start it. Let's go to the next tutorial.